Hey, pause for a second. Breathe. Right now, you're holding a decision. Maybe a small one, maybe a life-shifting one, and your mind? It's probably busy, noisy, full of what-ifs, doubts, or distractions. But let's be honest, when isn't it? The truth is, waiting for silence, clarity, or perfect timing. That's the trap. Because real decisions, they're made in the present despite the noise and any outside disruptions. They come from a deeper place, beyond overthinking, beyond fear. Ask yourself, does this feel light or heavy? Your body knows before your brain catches up. That slight tightness or spark of excitement, it's a signal. Trust it. Try something like flipping a coin and feel the answer. It's not about the outcome, it's about your reaction. When heads show up and you wish it were tails, boom, there's your truth. Instead of "I don't know what to do," say, "I'm discovering what feels most aligned." You're not stuck. You're choosing to explore with clarity. The key is to go beyond the decision and make a discovery that will transform your present state. Set a timer. Go with what shows up. Action builds clarity, not the other way around. Send the text, make the call, say it out loud. Don't just think the decision, move with it. The mind will always talk. The world will always have noise. But decision-making is a sacred act of self-trust. You don't need certainty, you just need courage. For a moment. And guess what? You've got that. Say this with me. I don't wait for silence. I choose with presence. I decide now. I trust now. I move now. So what are you waiting for? Make the decision. Let it be imperfect. Let it be yours. Because indecision steals your power. But presence gives it back. If this sparks something in you, a nudge, a shift, a tiny yes, then go ahead and tap that like button, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And hey, share this with someone who's standing at their own crossroad. Someone who's ready to turn indecision into discovery. Because of the present moment, it's waiting to surprise you. You've got this, and I've got you. Let's keep discovering together.